Hello my dear friends, let's make this amazing animated slide using Morph Transition, and here you can also jump to any slide you want like I did. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get daily updates. Let's start. First go to Format Background and change the background color. Then insert a circle and change the dimensions from here. Make it no outline and fill with white color. Now align the shape in left middle of the slide. Then duplicate it and move upward. Then again duplicate it 3 more times and align it to equal distance. Now go to Insert tab and insert 5 icons for your shapes. I am choosing this setting icon first. Then brain icon. Then this spaceman icon. Now growth chart, and at last this painter. Now give the outer shadow effect to all icons, reduce their size and adjust the icon in the shapes. Then select all icons, duplicate it with Ctrl+D and change its fill color and make them grey. Now we will insert a rectangle covering all these icons here. Then make it no outline and fill with white color. And then send it to back. Now group each icons and circle. Then select all these 5 shapes and drag it outside of the slide. I am using left arrow key to drag these shapes here. And now place these grey icons on the rectangle. Make sure these are properly aligned with previous icons. You can see this red line here, so you can take the idea from here. Now select these outside shapes and send it to back. Next, we will increase the length of the rectangle to give the animated look. Then I will duplicate any shape from here and align it in middle of the slide. Then I will duplicate the rectangle and align it like it is shown on the screen, middle of slide and center of this circle. Now double click on this circle and fill it with any random color in circle just to highlight it. Then insert a triangle and bring forward this circle shape. Rotate the triangle and arrange it like this, like I am doing, so that you can get a curved shape. Now select rectangle, then triangle and subtract it. Now right click and go to edit points. Click on black dot here, press shift and move the white dots. And for the corners to give the curve shape and arrange as you find suitable. After doing this, delete the previous rectangle shape and also delete this icon and align this in middle and left side of the slide and send it to back. Shift these icons in corner little bit. Then duplicate the slide, select all shapes, copy it and then delete it. Now change the background fill color and prepare 3 more slides like this. Now it's time to link the slide so that when we click on the icon, we directly jump on a specific page. So for that, go to first page, then click this first icon, then go to insert tab and click this link and select the slide you want to open with this. So here I am taking first slide so that whenever I click on this icon, I directly jump on this page. Then select second icon and link with second slide. Do the same with left 3 icons. Now on first slide, shift this curved part equal to the icon and fill this icon with no color so that it won't be visible. Bring this shape back to the slide. Now paste the icon on this slide. Bring second icon back on the slide and fill this icon with no color and move the curved part to the second icon. Now we will repeat this procedure on every slide now. I have copied the wrong slide mistakenly, so again I will go to first slide and copy all these icons again and then paste it here. Then again we will follow the same procedure. Take the curved part to the fourth icon. And take back the first icon as it was. Now insert the content on all slides. Then select all slides. You can also press Ctrl+A to select all slides in one go, or you can also select one by one. Then go to Transition tab and apply Morph Transition. Reduce the duration to 50 seconds here. And here you go. Thank you everyone for watching the video till end. If you like this, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you everyone.